Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and if you're not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe as to God and Mathematics community. In this lesson, we'll be looking at this probability question thanks to Harriet from University of Ghana, Legon, for sending me this question. Now, let's look at the question. The probability that a person reacts to the newly manufactured vaccine against the current pandemic is 0.002. If 4,000 people are treated with the vaccine, find the probability that A. No one will react to the vaccine, B. Exactly one person will react to the vaccine, C. Exactly 2 people will react to the vaccine, D. At least 3 people will react to the vaccine, and E. At most 2 people will react to the vaccine. Now let's look at how to solve the question in details, Harriet. Now, for this question, we said that the probability that a person reacts to newly manufactured vaccine against the current pandemic is 0.002. Now, this is a binomial distribution with P equal to 0.002 and N equal to 4,000. So, since P is very small and N is large, you use the Poisson distribution to approximate the binomial distribution. So we are going to use the Poisson distribution with lambda equal to NP to approximate this binomial distribution. So here we get our lambda to equal to 4,000 times 0.00. We get our lambda to equal to 4,000 times 0.002, which is equal to 8 as lambda. Wow. So now let us put the formula for the Poisson distribution. We have f of x lambda to be equal to e exponent negative lambda times lambda to the power x, all divided by x factorial. Very simple as that. So let's move to the question. No one will react to the vaccine. No one means x equal to 0. So for A, we have the probability that no one will react to the vaccine. That is P of x equal to 0 is equal to e to the power negative 8 times 8 to the power 0, all divided by 0 factorial, and this is the same as e to the power negative 8. And what is e to the power negative 8? Take your calculator. We have e to the power negative 8 to be equal to 0.00034 to 2 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 2 significant figures. Now, B. Exactly one person will react to the vaccine, meaning x equal to 1. So, take probability of x equal to 1 is equal to e to the power negative 8, that is lambda, times 8 to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial, and that will give us 8 times the answer that we have here. So times 8 will give us 0.002 2, 7 to two significant figures. Wow, very, very simple as that. So here, a to the power 1 is 8, 1 factorial is 1. E to the power minus 8 times 8 will give us this. Now, let's go to the C. Exactly 2 people will react to the vacuum. If it is exactly 2 people, then it means that we are going to calculate P of x equal to 2. And that is the same as e to the power negative 8 times 8 squared, or divided by 2 factorial. So let's take our calculator. That will give us 64 times e to the power minus 8 divided by 2. That will give us 0.011 to two significant figures. Now, let's look at the D. At least 3 people will react to the vacuum. At least 3 people will react to the vacuum. So let's clean these places. Oh, I shouldn't have done it, but no problem. I shouldn't have cleaned it because you are going to use them. I shouldn't have cleaned it. Now, at least 3 people will react to the vacuum. So we have 4,000 people and you are saying at least 3. So at least 3 means that you are going to find the probability of x greater than or equal to 3. That is from 3 going. And we have this probability to be from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4,000. And if we add each of the probabilities up to 4,000, we are going to get 1. And we want from 3 going. So if we want from 3 going, and it is very, very tedious for us to calculate, then we should calculate the probability from 0 to 2 and subtract it from 1. So at least 3, that is from 3 up to 4,000, is the same as 1 minus the probability from 0 up to 2. Very, very simple as that. So we have to calculate the probability of 0 plus the probability of 1 plus the probability of 2, and then subtract it from 1 to get at least 3 up to 4,000. Very, very simple as that. So let's do that. So this means that at least 3 is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 2. And this one is the same as at most, that is the E. This one is the same as 1 minus probability of at most 2. People will react to the vacuum. So at most 2 means from 0 up to 2. And it is x less than or equal to 2. So in answering question D, it means we are also answering the E. Very, very simple as that. So this will give us 1 minus the probability of x equal to 0 plus the probability of x equal to 1 plus the probability of x equal to 2. And we've done these probabilities already. That's why I was saying that I shouldn't have cleaned them. So this is equal to 1 minus, this one is e to the power negative 8, 8 to the power 0, all divided by 0 factorial, plus e to the power negative 8, 8 to the power 1, all divided by 1 factorial, plus e to the power negative 8 times 8 squared, all divided by 2 factorial. And what are we going to get? We are going to get and that will give us 1 minus the whole of this will give us 0.014. I've approximated this to 2 significant figures. So this will give us 0.986 as the answer. So here, the probability that at least 3 people will react to the vaccine is equal to 0.986 to 3 significant figures. Now, the E has already been answered here. At most, 2 people will react to the vaccine. At most 2. At most 2 means that from nothing to 2, that is at most 2, is the same as probability of x less than or equal to 2. And this is this part of the question D. That part of the question D. So I think we can clean this part. So that is probability of x less than or equal to 2. That is the E. And this one is D. So for this one, we just need probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus the probability of x equal to 2. That is what we need. So without wasting my time, we will take this part of question D, and that is we have e to the power negative 8 times 8 to the power 0 all divided by 0 factorial plus e to the power negative 8 times 8 to the power 1 all divided by 1 factorial plus e to the power negative 8 times 8 all squared divided by 2 factorial, and that is 0.014 to 2 significant figures. Thank you for watching, and I hope Harriet you've understood this very well. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave your comments. Bye bye.